my channel. This is my husband. We are going to Europe.
Paris,
Paris,
Nice,
Nice.
Florence, Rome, Doha.
Shut up. I'm gonna post a lot of videos related to that. First, it will be a Paris thing, and then south of France, and then we'll go to Florence, Rome, and then Amalfi Coast. So yeah, stay tuned.
Qatar, Paris.
Qatar, Paris. We are in Doha right now, and this man is dragging me, literally dragging me.
We may lose our flight and we may have
No,
to
we
stay
will
at
not.
our
Literally dragged me, and I'm wearing this long skirt. You know how difficult it is to walk in this skirt, huh? Say bonjour.
Each other, you know?
We are in Paris. Bonjour.
From the first moment I saw you.
Officially in Paris, after all the security checking, it was a long
2 hour wait.
yeah,
2 seconds check.
Yeah.
No fingerprint, no biometric, no photograph. Just the passport
Now we're gonna
and the
take
name.
the metro to our hotel because it's direct and we'll have a lot of time. Yeah. Our train is here. Okay, nice.
That would make you smile.
This is our first metro. It's 6 o'clock midday and
Day one.
it's
Bonjour.
really cold here. Like we were not expecting this cold.
I told her this is
No.
not useful.
No, you told me it's gonna be 20 degrees or something, but it's literally 10 degrees. It's freezing.
This is a
And
non-stop
I don't have any
service to Aulnay-sous-Bois.
winter clothes. I only packed
Este
summer
tren
clothes.
tracta Aulnay-sous-Bois.
So that's gonna be a problem, but let's see.
For sure. Girl, my love is always yours. I love your style. And I love your grace.
Alright guys, welcome to our apartment hotel. We reached a little before 3 p.m. check-in, but the staff was so sweet and let us check in early since the room was already ready. The lobby had a cozy waiting area with a coffee machine and drinking water, which was perfect after a long journey. We're having milk and some coffee. Now for the room tour. As you enter, there's a huge bathroom, a fully equipped kitchen, a dining and living area, and a separate bedroom section. I honestly loved how spacious everything felt, especially the bathroom. It was much bigger than what I expected. Overall, we had a really comfortable stay. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. So I was planning to wear the miniest shortest skirt, but that is not happening because it's way too cold here. So I'm gonna wear this jeans and probably shoes, and then I have this butter yellow t-shirt and then this white vest and a blazer and put on some jewelry.
Are you ready, Cutie?
Yeah.
Hey guys. Salam alaikum.
This necklace. I am ready. We have attached this to secure our phones. Ready to go. Paris, we're coming.
Harry.
He's navigating. Something which I cannot pronounce. How's it?
Okay.
So we are at our first location, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and now we're going to the Latin Quarter.
Let's go.
It's the most beautiful street of Paris. One thing we made sure while planning this trip was to keep everything as close as possible. Most of the places were either within walking distance or just a quick metro ride away. It honestly made such a huge difference because instead of spending hours commuting, we got to enjoy the streets, discover little corners along the way, and make the most of our day.
What's something I can do for you, darling? That would make you smile. I'll bring you flowers, girl. Enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow. But I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains.
This is the St. Germain Street, and I think it is pretty nice. Now we're going to the Louvre Museum.
Love your grace. Said I love to put a smile.
I am craving hot chocolate now, and this man is going to get me one. It's way too cold here, and I'm freezing. This cafe is also nice. This is the main street, I think, which you see in the movies. Hot chocolate, and now we're walking towards the Louvre Museum. Now दर्शकों, आप यहाँ से स्मृति चिन्ह खरीद सकते हैं, पोस्टर्स खरीद सकते हैं, टी शर्ट्स खरीद सकते हैं अपने परिवार और अपने दोस्तों के लिए. Now we're walking towards the Louvre Museum. At the museum. It's so quiet and I love it. It has this huge courtyard and इतनी शांति है इधर कि मज़ा ही आ गया. आपको?
Yes, feels good to be here.
Let's go see Mona Lisa. One thing about the Louvre Museum that no one really prepares you for is how massive it is. And when I say massive, I mean massive. You could easily spend an entire day here and still not see everything. Even finding the Mona Lisa feels like a mission because the museum is so huge. And honestly, getting out was almost as confusing as getting in. We were literally walking around trying to find the exit for what felt like forever. We reached the Louvre around 6 pm, so we didn't have a lot of time to explore. Plus, it was our very first day in Paris, and after a long journey, we were already exhausted. Sometimes it's better to enjoy the experience at your own pace. Instead of rushing through every gallery, we decided to take it easy. At the end of the day, your health and energy comes first. But it's 8 o'clock
Bonjour.
and bonjour. यहाँ पे सनसेट होता है 9:15 या 9:30 पे और मे बी समटाइम 9:45 पे. On our way to our hotel. It's 2 minutes walk. End of the day here, but it doesn't look like it. We got some vegetables. We are back.
I was swinging along